Welcome to another episode of Mama Toot's Kitchen. Today I will be making tuna mac. These are my ingredients. Um, I'm making a double batch of tuna mac. And these are my standard ingredients. Sometimes I do deviate from my standard recipe sometimes, but this is my basic recipe that I use. So first I dice up all of my vegetables. And basically I just divided all of these vegetables into, that was ample enough for two half-steam table pans of tuna mac. It should feed about 50 people, depending on their portion size. But standard portion size, it'll feed 50. You'll see at the end of the video, I will give you the recipe as well as the nutrition facts. And you can comment below if you have any questions. Okay, I like to let my noodles set to get the moisture up out of it. I like to add my eggs at the end. I dice them up. I don't like mine really fine. If you use the little gadgets, sometimes they can make them really fine, but I want to actually taste the egg in my tuna mac, macaroni salad, potato salad, that type of thing. But you do whatever your preference. And I do like to combine Hellmann's mayo and Miracle Whip together. I was raised on Hellmann's. I have used Duke's in the past. Duke's is really heavy, so if you're looking for that in a recipe, by all means use it, or maybe you were raised on Duke's, but I am partial to Hellmann's. Alright, and my standard seasonings. I will do this recipe again, but I want to show you a little twist that I do on it, and I think it makes a world of a difference. Alright, and that's pretty much it. That balsamic vinegar takes it to a whole nother level. That's the recipe, and the nutrition facts are right behind it. There you go. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, again, put them in the bottom in the comments.